Good morning, everyone. A wonderful, beautiful London morning. News just came out, I think. Pound GDP, I guess. So, in the kill zone already. Yeah, pound GDP data as expected. All right, nothing special. Let's see what happened yesterday. Look at this. Wow. Wowie, wowie. Now, it was interesting. it was definitely an interesting move all the way. I think I finished the stream sometime before lunch, and look at that. From that moment, from 18,300 went all the way up to 500, just like we were talking about this level on the 1 hour. We were talking about this level since Monday. Look at that. Look at that level, and look at this level. We were talking about it yesterday, and I wasn't patient enough, so it is what it is. These levels have all been taken beautifully. Next target, I would like to see the order block being taken out, I guess. But hey, it has been taken out technically, or has been mitigated. Very hard to find targets at these points. Anyway. Hey Trev, how you doing? Good morning. Good morning, good morning. So I feel a little bit of FOMO because, as I was saying, I was hoping to catch this move to the order block. And I was really hoping that price would stay put until Friday to go for this rally. But hey, Serdar, hey there, good morning guys. But it didn't. And now I'm just a little bit confused what to trade here. We have, what do we have here? Asia lows are here. Let me put this right there. Sell side liquidity. So we have Asia lows. And I'm gonna delete some markers which are now irrelevant. So deleting this. Price did react to the 50% level, by the way. 18K 1 hour order block doesn't matter anymore. I'm gonna leave this for now. And this one too. Maybe the highs could be interesting for that. Okay, buy side liquidity right there. There you go. Trader G, good morning. I'm telling you, it's really hard to find the direction right now. How are my accounts doing? Everything's cool. Everything's fine. All right. Yeah, so what's the distance here? 10 points to sell side liquidity and buy side, which is the PM session high. Yesterday, New York PM session high. Okay. Seems like it wants to break lower to 73, maybe. 88. Could be good for a 2-to-1 risk to reward. I don't know. Looks okay for a trade, but Anyway, Judith, hello, good morning. After the big push yesterday, we'll have to let it develop. Possibly let it find support. Yeah. Yeah, we cannot do really anything else here. And I definitely felt the FOMO after I checked the charts during the PM session, especially at the close of the PM session. All week I was waiting for this order block to be taken, but you know, at least I know that my analysis was correct. And this level, I mean, I was expecting this level and these levels too when we were down here. And so far, you know, those targets worked out pretty nicely. So at least that's good. But sometimes good is not enough. All right. What can we do? It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. We had a drop here on Nasdaq. Question is this just a liquidity sweep or is it one to continue to drop? Didn't really take out the Asia low, this one. So I'm guessing this could be a push higher. I don't know. The order block starts right up there. And to me, it seems like it might want to do some push to the upside. Maybe. But not sure. I don't see anything on the... Yeah, it's pushing. It's pushing. Look at that. Look at that. So it could be making a bullish breaker, for example, on the 5-minute. Not so much on the 1-minute chart, but what else do we have news-wise? Nothing. That was all the news. Anyway. And it's going. Tamimi, hey there, good morning. This is overnight. Yeah. This is overnight initial balance high. So good reverse. Yeah, good reverse. I think we could be looking to a crappy London session just like yesterday. So now let's go NQ. No entries so far, but it's interesting how this one spiked lower, swept some liquidity at the news, went up there, swept the highs as well, both on the micro and the minis, and now went back to that. I don't really trade the 2-minute chart, but let me look at it. Okay, nothing serious. So I don't really like this move. It could be a displacement higher, but I don't know. Previous day high is up there at 19.50-ish. So Kayla, hey there, good morning, good to see you. Did it move to gold till NQ starts its engines? Yeah, maybe I should. I trust me, I'm thinking so many times to move to, I mean, not to move, but to trade something else besides NQ. But risk-wise, that would be double risk on the account. Double risk. And the edge would play out differently. I know it sounds weird maybe, but if you're trading more than one market at the same time, your trading edge could be, you know, reduced or working against. I mean, the two trades could be working against each other. For example, if I have two trades on, because I would be messing my mindset totally if I would take a trade on gold and I would see a beautiful setup developing on NQ and I would say, oh no, I cannot enter because I already risking like 0.5% of my account and I cannot enter the trade. So that would mess me up pretty much. That's why I always hold myself to take more than one market for a session. But that's a huge decision to make, by the way. I know it's underestimated because many traders are trading like 10 markets or whatever. And I know there are successful traders doing that, but I cannot do. I tried it, but it's so hard. Good morning, Sarah. These are the levels I have tonight. 495, balance low 78. I see. 78 mid 86. Yeah, that could be. Yeah, German. German 40. Hopefully, I mean, there's still a rumor. It's not being confirmed, but the admins at MyFundedFutures has already talking about this, that they are working on the solution to add EuroX, aka German index, into MyFundedFutures as a standard, so you don't have to subscribe for additional data. Although it has been not confirmed, I'm just talking to some people and reading some rumors around Discord and elsewhere, but admins are confirmed that they are working on the solution. So they said that there's a possibility that in a few months, maybe sooner, they could be implementing EuroX to MyFundedFutures as a standard market. So for example, Apex, you can trade it at Apex, but you have to pay $20-something for the data per month. So we'll see. Trader G, yes. I mean, 10% or 5% of the time I trade ES. For example, yesterday, let me show you what was yesterday. Hold on. Yeah, so yesterday I wanted to enter after the stream to ES buy, but I think I had to run away from the desk, do some errands in the city, and I wanted to get into this move to take out this high at 27, but I didn't, of course, and it was unfortunate. By the way, talking about ES, there is still a bearish order block on the 1-hour chart, so that means that could be a beautiful, beautiful target. Bearish order block, 1 hour, to the bottom. That order block is at 61. The open of the candle is at 61. So I'm definitely bullish on ES. And if I go down to the one, oh my God, it's terrible. Look at these candles. Tell me these candles are tradable. I think not. So Yeah. Let's see. Who knows where this one wants to go? All right. All right, all right. Totally untradeable. Totally untradeable. I mean, if you guys enter a trade now, hats off. We have to wait again. That's the frustration. But until we wait, I'm gonna submit a new account that has been funded. Hold on. Hold on. Nothing is moving. Nothing is moving. I'm just submitting a new funded account to BULENOX that has been passed. All right. I'll trade a micro. I'm not afraid. There you go. Hey there, Naz. New day traders. Yeah. This was the 1 hour order block that we were talking about all week. It has been mitigated, so-called. And now I think we are heading back inside that order block. Previous day highs there. Looks like it wants to take those highs. If it does, the high of the order block is at 566. So we can trade through yesterday high easily. But this was not a clean structure shift. Maybe we'll have one here. So let's see this. Actually, that's a good target if we could retrace back to here, for example. That would be interesting. There. Look at that. Now it's going. Okay. So back inside the order block, this is a structure shift. How about this one wants to trade? Oh, it's going up. Still good for a 1-to-1 if someone wants to take it. I'd like to see it go down here, but I highly doubt that it will. Oh no, maybe it will. Look at that. Maybe it will. Who knows? I have a limit order at 94.75. Maybe it's a little bit aggressive. The low of this candle is 94.50. So I do have a pending order right now. The risk to reward is good. If I get tapped into this one, I'll take it. Still not filled. So I do have an entry, 94.7, but I'm not filled yet. I'm not filled. So let's see if it goes down there or not. Hola, Greg. Hey there. We'll break 500. Well, actually, okay. I think I'm filled now. Oh yeah, the trade has been filled. There it is. So I'm in the trade. A little bit aggressive. My typical daily probe trade right now. I would target previous day high, which is previous day high is 1925, so I would go with 19 maybe as a target. Definitely aggressive, but if this was just a sweep of liquidity, I mean, it could be easily that. It would just go down and take out the 73 sell side. So be careful with that. I think that this could be a liquidity run for yesterday's PM session high. I can very well be wrong on this one. So I'm going to put a limit order as a TP at 19. And that's it. That's my target for this one. Howdy, Trader Oracle. How is everybody doing? My risk to reward is not exactly 1 to 2, but it's about 1.7, 1.8-ish. If we trade below the 82, then most likely we're going down for 73 to take out Asia low. So that's why I put my stop there. Chris, hey there. Good to see you. How you doing? Everything's fine. I just took my morning probe trade. So as usually, guys, my first trade always a stop loss, so that's why I'm always trying to go with relatively small risk. And yeah, round of applause for Chris. One applause for everyone who's here. Okay. All right. So What are you guys up to? Let's look at ES. Oh my god, it's terrible to look at ES right now. It's looking so bad. It's just so bad. ES is untradeable right now. Good morning, Marco. And let's see. All right. So far, it's a typical London morning. Could be like nothing is gonna happen until the open. So let's wait and see. There. Previous day high is 18,519-ish. Yeah, Trev, definitely. It's definitely a little bit slow. I'm not surprised on anything in London session for now. I mean, anything can happen easily. I'm gonna put a fair value gap here, just so you guys would know what was my criteria. Also, maybe a come on. Market structure shift there. Sweeping some lows, but maybe it's not enough. Looks like it's not gonna be enough. Did iron start shelling everybody? I did not read about that. Was there really something happening over there? Didn't read the news that much. No info yet. All right, I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I have to go out, check something. Push the like button, subscribe. I'll be right back, and let's hope this trade goes well. If not, then not. Be right back. All right, not much changed. Slow price action for now, and ES is not really moving. Everything is sideways. So again, looking for the same kind of session like we did yesterday. Pretty sad. Pretty sad. Well, what can we do? Maybe the open will give the volume that we need. Hopefully to the right direction. All right, if we could take out the high somehow, yeah, 500 is major resistance, but I just wanted to show that we have this order block here, which price has been traded back up to, and I marked up the high of this order block, which is almost relative equal high as well, at 566. It's not 100% accurate, but 98% accurate. If we go with the bodies of the candles, we still see somewhere around 556. The midpoint is somewhere, I'm just eyeballing, somewhere around 530, 529. So I would like to see this order block being traded into and maybe even break it higher. That would be a very, very nice target, especially that we have all these lower highs up there. These are all lower highs. This high is lower than this one and this one and this one. So lots of liquidity, I think, resting around those places, waiting to be taken. But maybe it's gonna happen only on next week. Who knows? But that's why I was so bullish on going for a previous day high. But it can definitely go down to 473, take out the Asia low. Anything can happen. Technically, if you look at this way here, this just made the classic short entry, an ICT classic YouTube 2022 and short entry right there. This one. Boom. This is a classic short entry. So if you guys want to take a short, you're definitely on spot. Market structure shift, fair value gap, optimal trade entry, beautiful targets down there. I'm actually confused myself because I'm just looking for the liquidity run towards the yesterday's high. So my trade is pretty much in a risk right now. And I'm not sure if I can make it. But this is a classic ICT short. Just saying. So you guys should decide for yourself. That's the perfect entry to go short. And beautiful targets. Actually, I got confused. Kid Nash. Hey, good to see you, Kid Nash. How's it going? I'm short ES, but I'm not in love with it. Well, my problem with ES is if I look at these candles, I mean, what I don't see anything on the 1 minute. The 5 minute is barcode chart. Nothing on the 15. The 1 minute is trash in my opinion. I don't know. Good, Kid Nash. Good to hear that. Will only break with volume in London. Can break with full. Yeah, it can. It can. So that's why this trade is pretty much a risky one. This ICT short is still in play. if you guys took it. I'm still holding my long because I want to see if it's able to break PM session high, New York PM session high, which is not too far. We still have the order block up there. Yeah, after bond auction. So I left earlier and I just couldn't stand anything there. But I felt the FOMO after the market closed. I checked the chart later and I saw what happened. And it was pretty much interesting. Fighter jets are flying again above our house. You guys will hear it soon. Top Gun, military base, guys. They're super loud. Yeah, Tom Cruise is flying around here. Yeah. Yeah. Trust me, I can hear them pretty loud here. I have noise reduction on the microphone, but you guys can still hear it. But the military base is right next to the city, and this is this is kind of like a fighter town, like in Top Gun, because this is the main fighter jet airbase of the country. So they're flying all over the place all day. So I have my neighbor who's cutting grass. I have the dog barking, and I have military jets flying all over the house. So ideal conditions for day trading, especially in London. Yeah, I'll be recruited to Scientology. I live in a city, but I live in a, how do they say, an outer circle. So I don't live in the centrum, in the center. I live in a little bit outside. But yeah. But I for example, of course we have the capital, Budapest. I could not live in Budapest. I could never do that. When I was a kid, I was living in a village. Really, I was, guys, you wouldn't be. I was living in a village. We were having like less than 1,000 people in the village, like 800 souls in the village. A very, very, very small village. I grown up. So I think I will never understand how people are able to live in a crowded capital in the centrum. I cannot get used to that, but yeah. We get Apex commercials now on all YouTube. Really? All right. By the way, there will be commercial, guys. Just saying. I'm really sorry about that, but it's going to happen. So, with your permission, maybe I will insert an ad. Not right now, but maybe there will be an ad inserted to the stream. All right. So guys, for the support of the stream, I'm going to insert an ad. And if you could support, just watch the ad. And maybe you, if you want to, you can click on it. But thank you for the support. The ad is coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. But for example, I know that YouTube sometimes is choosing a different time to insert an ad. So no matter that I click on it, it's going to decide itself when it's going to insert it. She wants to ride with this mission. Close the partition. The driver likes to listen. Gary, well, I like that. I think Apex or TOPSTEP is better than MyFundedFutures because there is no 40% average max profit limit. That's true, Josef, that's true. But you know, the reality of trading is different because everybody, and I absolutely get your reaction. You know, I absolutely get it. But the reality of trading is people are saying that, but yet those people are saying that who has never been funded or taken a payout from a funded prop account. And I no offense, really, there's no offense. I'm just saying that technically everybody says that, but hey, they don't have a 40% consistency rule. But the reality is that you will never need the 40% consistency rule. You will never need it. Because if you will be on your funded account and if you're going for the payout, you're not going to go for the daily 40%. I mean, not the 40% profit, but if your profit target is $3,000 or $4,000, whatever, you're not going to trade more than you have to because you want to protect your capital and your profits. So on a 50K account, for example, again, 40% rule, if you're aiming for $3,000 at MyFundedFutures starter account, that would bring you $1,200 on a given day, on one single day. So again, on a 50K account, on a single day, you have to go above $1,200, which is great. It's absolutely fantastic. But if you're making $1,200 on a day, one single day, you should definitely walk away, close the computer and close everything, walk away if you do it on a 50K account, because there's no use to push it more. On average, on a 50K account, you could be making $100, $200, $300 on average on a given day if you're trading small. But if you make $1,000 on a day, you have to walk away. You cannot do it more, because, and if you're doing those days, I mean, anyway, that's a long conversation. But the 40% consistency rule is when you get there, when you get to the funded level, trust me, you're not going to want it, because if you make $500, your instincts are going to tell you like, all right, just stop for today. You made 500, walk away. Why do you want to push it for 1,200? It's useless to do. So the 40% consistency rule doesn't matter at all, in my opinion. But I get it. I get it. How much does a restaurant meal cost in Hungary? Oh, well, it differs. It differs because there are these places like the buffets, you know, where you can, you know, take out food or whatever. I mean, if you just go for a fast and restaurant meal, not McDonald's or Burger King, but you know, a normal kitchen, you can get a meal with soup and with a main dish and some soda. You can get for maybe $8, $7 or $8 in my town, usually. If you had 3 bad days, then you killed the average. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Exactly, that's true. That's true, Yoshef, that's true. Good morning, Inky. Hey there. Market is about to open. You trade only ES? ES started to go up a little bit as well. Took out this liquidity. I mean, poked into this liquidity on the 5-minute. Could be heading down again. Very dangerous to be in a long position right now. Your short's working. I'm not in a short. I'm in a long. Unfortunately, I'm in a long. So, yeah. I'm in this long position. I'm stuck here in this long position. My target, I'm not trading the ES right now, but I would like to see ES go up to the 1-hour order block, which is at 52.61. I'd like to see ES there. See, this is the order block to the left, right there, and I would like to see price revisit that area. So let me put it to a box. The bodies of the candles. I want to see ES up there. That doesn't mean it's gonna go up there, but sooner or later these order blocks like to be revisited. So that's where price is heading to right now. And also here we are inside the order block technically on the NQ, and the high of the order block is up there at 566. I'm not saying we're going there, but if NQ would push previous day high, which is the yesterday's PM session high, that would be awesome, right? That would be really awesome. Yeah, no problem. I'm long ES now, just a scalp. I thought you said looks like a good short, and that's why I was skeptical against myself. I thought, yeah, my target 22.63. That's a good target, right inside the order block up there. If you have enough margin with a small position, you can get there. Yesterday I lost 700. And in the bull market, you made 760. Nice. That was quite a roller coaster there. Quite a roller coaster. I'm still sitting in this. It went up there. Now it's back down. Waiting for London. I have a bad feeling about this, but it's okay. Less than 5 minutes to London, and the problem is that it might just had enough liquidity up there to go down and take the Asia lows. I see this many times play out during the London session nowadays. Just going for the Asia highs and Asia lows, and that's it. That's the drill. Well, it's all a gambling. We are all gamblers, guys. We are all sitting here because we are all gamblers. We have an addiction. So I hope you guys know that we are all having an addiction. We're all sick people, actually. I mean, not in a bad way, but morning, Mihaios. Good to see you. Yes, Serdar. Yeah, we are all having problems. I do not agree. You know what? I respect that. We're actually not sick, but we are all professional gamblers in a good way. Market killing range traders like me. Well, you can trade the range. Don't worry. Range trading is a thing. We are definitely all gamblers. Yeah. Skills. Exactly, Inky. Sorry. That's true. I wanted to add that we are gamblers, but we are professional gamblers. Just like professional poker players who are having skills. So skills, absolutely, that's the word there. I'm traded once or twice a day, so my addictions. Okay, I buy that. All right, Inky. Yeah, there you go. I wanted to add that, actually. But yeah. So we are gamblers, but no, we're not sick people. I was joking, I was trolling there, but you need skills. Definitely you need. We read charts. It's an art. It actually is. So when some of my friends asking me when I'm looking at my phone and I'm checking the chart, they're just looking at me. What the hell is? I mean, how can you be so excited watching that thing on your phone? That why is it good to watch that? And they will never understand. And I tell them, hey, you know, I would love to explain it to you, but you would never understand it. So I like to figure out this shit, you know, where this thing is going. Yeah, they can't. I tried to explain it to a few of my friends. They can't understand it. They can't. So, and the more I wanted to explain it to them, the more they think it's not a real thing. I mean, it's just, you know, what he said, what Matthew McConaughey said in The Wolf of Wall Street. It's all a fugazi, like fairy tale, dust in the wind, like that's it. That's what they think. It's a fugazi, you know, fairy tale, dust, you know, fairy dust. Well, if you can't make a salary with this, then it isn't real time. That's true. That is true. That is exactly true. All right. So guys, until we're waiting for the market open, still 20 minutes. Check out the discounts. 20 seconds, sorry. Check out the discounts. All starter accounts for $50. Go check it out. And push the likes. Subscribe to the stream and to the channel. Push the likes. It helps me out. Thank you so much. Market opens up in 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Market is open. Let's see. Oh, that dirty moves. Dirty moves. Should have known that it's going to take those lows. I don't know. Market open will tell us in a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, we should see where is it want to swing more, to the upside or to the downside. So Also, stay tuned for next week. More giveaways are coming. Just saying. Actually, let me check something. All right. I'm sure the upside. Well, we'll see. Yesterday's PM session high and also yesterday high is at 519, not too far. But the Asia low is also very close at 73, and we already took out some liquidity. ES, of course, could be looking for more bullish moves to the 1 hour order block, but there you go. Seems like this one might not hold. What did you miss? I missed giveaways. Oh, we could do a giveaway in this session, in London session, but I can only do, I cannot do crypto. No crypto. I cannot send. Sending money through crypto is double the amount. Like, for example, yesterday, and it's not those guys' fault because they were super nice, the winners yesterday, but I wanted to send out $20 cash prize so the winner would be able to buy a 50k BULENOX account. So that was the giveaway. So by the time I got to send $20 in crypto, it cost me $42. So I'm not sending in crypto. No way. No crypto. No, I'm not doing crypto. The only thing I can send right now is PayPal and direct debit card transfer or international bank wire. Those are the 3 ones I can do. No crypto. I'm not sending crypto. Because if I would have knew that, I could have done not 2 but 4 giveaways yesterday for BULENOX accounts. So no crypto. No. Only direct debit card or PayPal or international bank wire. That's what I can do. And if your credit card is registered, unfortunately, in a country where it's not supporting, for example, yesterday I was really sorry for the guys because they were having the card in Pakistan and MasterCard is not able to put direct debit transfer in Pakistan. So I was sorry about that, but that's why we did it in crypto anyway. 52.65, and we going back to, yeah, we could be. Today we do 12-hour stream, 2 a.m., 8 a.m., 2-hour break. Nice. Yeah, discount of that's also a good idea. That's also a good idea. I'm actually preparing something. It's gonna be ready over the weekend. I'm uploading exciting content to my blog, and it's gonna be available here on stream too. I think you guys will like it. I'm not gonna share anything from that. The content is also coming to YouTube, and I will explain what I'm doing. I have a programmer already working on the solution, so there is some development in the background. We're cooking something, you know. We're cooking something, and it's gonna be good. It will be beneficial to giveaways as well. It will be good. It will be good. You guys will see. Hopefully it will be. It should be ready by Monday, or worst case Tuesday. Look at this price action. Wow. Don't give cash. All right. Well, that's the only thing. Like, it used to work on other streams as well. since for example, Apex is not giving out codes for giveaways. Only MyFundedFutures were opened up to do it, like they will activate the winner's account. But otherwise, the other ones are not doing it for not for small streamers like me. So only the cash giveaways are working like this. Oh damn! Look at this. Could be going down. Let's check the ES. Okay. Let's see. I have the window open and there's an ambulance outside right now. I guess police as well. And the fire brigade. Yeah, you guys can hear it. A lot of sirens right now. Something happened, I think. Something bad happened. If I may suggest, ES with a lot of contract is more profitable and slower, easy to manage. Yeah, Inky, I know that ES is respecting price levels much better than I mean, not that NQ is not respecting, but ES is a little bit more predictable and calm. Jaws music begins to play in the background. It's gonna take out that stop. You know, because we are below the 500, I think unfortunately we can go to Asia low at 473. So I think that's pretty much it for my long trade. But what can we do, right? I'm in 3 micros short on NQ from 496. You should target my stop loss. I'm not even kidding. You should target, it's not a joke even, you should target 82, 81. I'm not sure if you're scalping, but from 96, that's a good target to take out this one. Or even you can leave 1 micro and go for the Asia low and take profit at 75.25. That's what I would do if I would be short. So that could be an opportunity. That would be an amazing sound bit. Universal original movie. Oh yeah. I think I can do. I think I can do the Jaws thing. All right. Yeah, Jaws are coming. YouTube is very how should I say, it has a very good algorithm. Even if it spots like a few seconds of music or apart from a movie or whatever, it's already sending me an email that you cannot use your video for monetization because blah blah blah, and it points to the segment where it heard the sound bits. So I have to be really careful with these because everything is copyright protected. Even this Jaws sound effect, I'm sure that it's copyright protected. Good morning, Erkan. Thank you, and good luck to you too. Good luck to you too. So if it gets super close to your stop, you gotta play the whole sound. That's actually a good idea, Naz. That's a good idea. I should do that, actually. I should. Oh man, this, you know, I got to the point with this trade where I don't care, which is a good thing. So I just at the point where I don't care what happens with this trade. I really don't care. Actually, this is a short opportunity. You guys can go short and take out the Asia lows right there. Boom. That's your entry to go short. What a bad price action this morning too. Look at how much gold has gone up. Oh yeah, it did. The thing is, even though it got up, and it's making history all the time. Is this historical high? Yes, it is. So if I would be trading gold, I would not be entering into this long. That's for sure. Because again, Starship Enterprise would be here somewhere. So if I would be trading it, no, that's not my thing. Maybe here I would have entered. Maybe. But I don't know. At this point, I would not be chasing it at these historical highs because we don't know where it goes. Oh no. I have a feeling that this one is gonna drop super hard from here. Should be taking out the sell side at 73, maybe. Oh no. Should I close this? I think I should. Maybe I should close it manually. Who cares? 73 would be the Asia low. It's not far. It's 15 points. It swept a little bit of liquidity here. I'm not sure if this one can survive. You went with one? No, I went with 4 micros. 4 micros. So I'm risking about $90 or $100, something like that. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Sedar. Thank you for the support. Yeah, there you go, Naz. Exactly. Stick to your guns. I like that phrase. Stick to your guns. Let it be. Let it play out. And if it takes me out, it takes me out. At least I'm not letting it mess up my mind. So I will be looking for the next one if it takes me out. I would be surprised actually if this one would, you know, rebound from here and go to the upside. I would be very much surprised because we're so close to Asia low to 73. And it took the liquidity on the upside. Very high chance, I think, that it will go down, but I'm not going to mess with the trade. I'm gonna leave it. But if you guys in a short, I would be holding it until 75.50-ish area because there's a relative equal low here, just to make sure 75.25 or 50 if you're in a short. I'm not going to change this. I'm gonna let it play to stop loss and take the loss. Yeah, feels bad, but what can we do? Even if it goes up, first it should go down there, take the liquidity, and then go up. I might give a second chance to this long trade, but first I would like to see it take the Asia low. So that would be the possibility. Okay, the dog started to bark outside. Any suggestion best prop firm for beginner? Well, Marvel, as a beginner, I think you need end of day trailing drawdown. I would not go with the Forex prop firm because I think as a beginner, you should. I wish I would started with futures at the beginning. So you need end of day drawdown, I think. But also a cheap upfront cost would not be a bad thing. So because most likely you're gonna blow your account anyways. I'm sorry to say that, Marvel, because I'm just trying to be real honest. 99% chance that you're going to blow your first account anyways. So save up a little bit on that money and go with maybe an intraday trailing stop. You can have a BULENOX account for $14.50 or $17.50. For example, if you use a code, you have discounts, but you can go with that as a beginner because you're going to blow that account anyway. So go with BULENOX to save money. But if you have extra money and you need end of day trailing, I would suggest go with MyFundedFutures, $50. And you can even go with the higher account. Of course, it's harder to... No, don't go with the higher account. 50K account for you. $50 for a 50K account. Or you can go with TOPSTEP. If you register for TOPSTEP, you can get your first account for $40, a 50K account, and your first reset is half price. Yeah, for Forex prop firms, you should be a swing trader. For scalping and intraday trading, it's almost impossible. I mean, they are definitely going to mess your trades. Yes, exactly, Josef. So let me just finalize it. Go with end of day trailing drawdown, and go with TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures. Yeah, those are the two ones with a 50K account. All right. This one should be dropping to 73 any second, guys. I don't trust this bullish move here. The spike. This one just enough to sweep some liquidity and boom, go down. All right. Prasad, hey there. Hi. Vic, hi there. TOPSTEP first time reset 50% discount. Is it from the amount charged for my first yes, exactly. So you register first. You can get a discount for your 20% off from the account, and for your first account a 50% discount on your first reset. Exactly. I just failed my first time registration. You can get your reset. I mean, my account exceeded the max drawdown. Yeah, so if you go to your dashboard, click on the reset, you should be having a half price reset. With 4 micro, what is the current loss because there is a large stop distance? I'm risking about $100 on this one. This is, I think, 90. No, it's $100. I'm risking $100 on this, Josef. Every loss you take, you have to take a shot of Palinka. I would be. Everything would go crazy here on stream. Trust me. I'm not gonna be jumping in a penguin suit, but I'm not drinking Palinka. You're welcome. Praised. Or sorry, Prasad. Sorry there. Come on, let's get over with this and let's go for the Asia lows. It's on like 10 points away. Dark Cloud, hey there. Welcome. All right, we're officially out from this one. So we should be going for, yeah, I lost $100. 100 with commissions, $104 on this trade. And this is going for the Asia lows, unfortunately. I mean, for me. If somebody's still holding the short, I should have gone short up there. We had multiple chances. Now it's too late. The 73 is gonna get taken now. I mean, $73, yeah, it should be taken out. If not, then I don't know. If you guys are still in it to win it, there you go. It's got taken out. What a shame. I was offside here. There was a fair value gap here as well on the 1 minute, so I totally messed this up. Should have gone with the classic model right here. Beautiful entry. Market structure shift. Second chance here to enter. Targeting. I messed this up, guys, big time. But my bias was to go for the previous day high. We were so close, and actually, for a small time, I was in 1 hour profit. So I was really hoping that we could reach for that. How much was it? Only 11 points. But then it started to reverse. So what can we do? It is what it is. OMG, penguin suit would be amazing. That would be a hit, right? Well, it was not my trade, Kid Nash. It was anyone's trade who took it because I was long, but you don't have to thank for it. Ruse, hey there, welcome. Penguin suit. Yeah, that's what we will do. Robert, I see your big magnets and money bags got hit. Yeah, the magnet got hit, and we still have some targets left up there. I'm looking for the high of the order block still, and on ES, if you go on the 1 hour chart on ES, I still like these levels there. This order block, it's pretty much something I do like, especially in terms of liquidity. here. I do love this area. There is liquidity there, I'm sure. So I'm sticking with a bullish bias. If we get a nice entry, I would jump in again to a long. If I check the 1 hour, we could be seeing some more retracement even below 433. Not sure. This was a huge move yesterday, so let's not forget that. If I put the fib tool here, look at this. Oh my god, we can go down to 300. So be careful, but that's why we need a clean displacement to the upside before I take a long position on this one. Thank you, Nez. You will get them next time. You did say it was a perfect. You listened. All right, Kid Nash. It was actually a perfect short. My trade was in the way for myself, so I couldn't mess out my psychology. So that's why I stick to my guns, as Ness said. And it is what it is, you know. It's part of the game. TOPSTEP or MyFundedFutures? Which one is the best? MyFundedFutures. That's it. I told you. TOPSTEP is great. I love TOPSTEP. They're great. Superb company. Everything support is great. I have funded account with TOPSTEP. I got payouts from TOPSTEP, so they are really great. But for now, under these market conditions in the prop space, MyFundedFutures is better there. So that's what I think. I hope that I think TOPSTEP is going to resolve. We were talking about it yesterday. I think the issue with the micros. As soon as they do that, I think TOPSTEP is going to be #1. I mean, they're still in the top 3. I wouldn't say which one is the #1 because the top 3 ones are MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP, and Apex. I do like BULENOX too, but that's a small company, but I do like them. It was easy to get funded with BULENOX because of the cheap accounts. So we have traders, streamers, Methodical Man, he's taking payouts in BULENOX. So we have very good information about BULENOX. But so far my top 3 futures prop firms are MyFundedFutures, TOPSTEP, and Apex. Every one of those prop firms have their own perks and features. It depends on your personality, right? How is the KYC process? Only upload ID or a video chat? No video chat, Erkan. Only upload your idea, and that's it. And I think you have to do use your webcam or your cell phone with an application, and you have to do a selfie, and you have to move your head, and you have to cough. No, you have to move your head in a circle, and you have to do a selfie, and that's the KYC. But it's automated with an application, so it's very simple. All right, guys, let's wait. So until then, if you can support me and still know, I mean, we're just waiting for a setup, please guys, if you can, watch an advertisement. Don't click through it. I mean, instead, click on the advertisement if you can. Support the stream. The ads are really pushing the YouTube revenue a little bit. So here comes the advertisement in 3, 2, 1. Commercial incoming. All right. All right. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. We need to form a structure anyway. We need to form a structure. if we form a structure at these levels, maybe we could do something. Okay, seems like it might want to go lower. Don't forget to hit the like button. Exactly. If you guys can help me out and hit the like button, that would be also pretty cool and helps out the stream. Thank you. I made overall $227 from YouTube since I got monetized, but I still haven't received, I couldn't take out the money because I'm waiting for Google to to post me in a letter, in a paper, the address verification. So I still can't take out that money, but it will be okay. I'm waiting for 1 month now. So, but it's cool. It is cool. Okay, all right. Bullish divergence, Brando trades. Could be happening. Where do you see bullish divergence? On SMT divergence, you mean? Could be, right? Could be. But that would be mostly for ES. I don't like how ES looks like right now. I mean, so much gapped out. All I want for, not Christmas, but all I want to see right now is this, to shift higher. Kid Nash, see you later in New York. Thank you so much for dropping in. Using the, Traders Dynamic Index. Nice. I was using that too in Forex. When I was trading Forex. Thank you, Kid Nash. Have a good one. Actually, that was, I don't know even what kind of a TDI indicator we have here on TradingView. Which one is the best? TDI Gold Mines edited for MMM by Jacob. I don't know which one is. Traders Dynamic Index RSI Divergence. I'm gonna put it to favorites. And this one too. Use the one from Trader Society. Which one is that? Maybe it's down there. I can type in. No, it's not giving that. TDI. Just out of curiosity. Oh, wow. What did I do? Why does it look like this? I used this so long ago, the TDI. I was trading it with currencies. And the fighter jets are flying again. Wow, interesting. It's a downloadable indicator bar direct from Trader Society. I don't think I can link. No problem. But yeah, it's the only one you use. Nice. Well, you know, I was using it long time ago. Totally forgot about TDI indicator. Oh, click twice. This one is a different one. Short ES holding the 4-hour fair value gap. 52.40. That's the target. That's a good target, actually. Good luck with that, Chris. I hope you get there. What is this right now? Was this a short? Interesting TDI. I never seen this one before. Divergence indicator from Trader Society. Maybe that's the one. Sorry. Anyway, I don't care. I mean, I care, but I'm not searching. I mean, I'm gonna test the TDI later on. You were asking TDI. I was just looking for a TDI indicator because I totally forgot. So if you type in TDI, then these two are the big ones. TDI Gold Mines edited for MMM, and then the other one is TDI with RSI divergence. That's what I was looking at as well. But now we're just waiting. This is the waiting game, guys. Waiting for some kind of a structure shift if it wants to, but if not, then look at the 5-minute. We can still go down to the 200 EMA, and we have sell side at 400. I wouldn't be surprised in the 400s. I'm gonna put actually a marker here as sell side liquidity right down there. Interesting place to go. Like to see 500 again. Yeah, me too. I want to see those order blocks, especially on ES, but I'm not sure we're gonna get it in the London session. Turbo diesel injection. Yeah, Tom, calling your fighter pilots to wipe out the noise from the charts. Yeah, Isham. Afternoon red news will. Yeah. It will give us some opportunities, I guess. Let's see. Prelim. What is this consumer sentiment? I never really understood anything about this prelim UOM, level of composite index based on surveyed customers, which we know. Financial confidence is leading indicator of consumer spending, which accounts for majority of overall economic survey, about 500 consumers. So this is interesting. A survey of about 500 consumers, which asks respondents to rate the relative level of current and future economic conditions. So correct me if I'm wrong, but this news is basically only based on asking 500 people what do they think of the economy. Is that correct? So they are asking 500 people about the economy. I can give you 500 people who don't know how much is 1 + 1. Just saying. Anyway, I'm not sure if that news, that indicator is any good, but oh no, again sirens, something bad is going on. Ambulances again. Must have been some accident. Oh, okay then. Wet milled, I didn't know that. That's why I'm asking. That's not the kind of questions those surveys ask. Okay. Maybe a quiz call. I'm not jumping anything, Brando. Be careful to jump in too long. As far as I can see it, we can drop all the way down. Way down. From here. Who knows where's the bottom of this? 1 + 1 + 1 is 5. It's more or less, if this happens, how willing are you to spend X amount of money for essential daily items? There you go. That's why Wet Milled, he is very wise, and that's why I love him on the stream. Exactly. That is why I mean I should have gone to economic university, or economics in university or something like that. Should have. Although they say it's 90% pretty much boring. But I guess I don't know. In range, everything is a trap. Yeah, it is. Until we don't see a structure shift, there's this is just not our go-to. Oh, I locked trading again. Why did I lock it? Workspace. Lock modifications. There you go. So this way I can't. There you go. Workspace is locked. It's better like this. Auto. I feel the FOMO for letting this short go, because I was sticking to my long, but I was so confident in the buy side at previous day high, which I think it can happen. It's Friday, so we can take that out and go into the order block, but have to wait for the proper time to enter. If you add one drop of water to another drop of water, what do you get? I get I get 2 drops of water? No, 1 drop of water. So 1 drop plus 1 drop water is going to be a big drop of water, right? Yeah. It should be a big drop of water. So not 2, just 1. So 1 plus 1 is 1. If we're talking about water, 1 plus 1 is 1. I'm a professional. I see myself as Russell Crowe in The Beautiful Mind, you know. I'm thinking I see those numbers in front of my face, like I see the codes everywhere. I see the numbers. I see equations. So yeah, 1 plus 1 is 1. Well, yeah. I'm gonna go with that. All right. I'm gonna go with that. I'm just laughing at myself. You got me there with that question, actually. You got me with that question. Because if we're talking about drop of water, 2 drops of water becomes 1. But no, it's actually 2. Who knows? Because you can divide it to 3 parts as well, or 5 parts, or molecules. Oh man, I can't climb out of this one. I know. So I walked into this one. All right, all right. Come on, come on. Well, guys, this is going to be a waiting game. This is the waiting game. What can we do? And the ambulance is coming again. I'm telling you, something bad happened here. Oh, that's a shame. There has to be an accident somewhere near. Seems like they pulled the plug again. They pulled the plug again. Let's wait. Let's wait. So hard to know what to do. All right, if we look at the 5-minute again. No, let's look at the 15-minute. We were talking about that this move on the 1 hour, the 50% area should be all the way down at the 300s. So that could also mean that we can see a drop at least to the 400s. This is all just speculation. Close short, you're long now. On Nasdaq. You were short on... No, you were short on ES. Oh, yeah. Well, just be careful there, you know. But I do like the longs. I definitely like the longs. This was not a clean structure shift, but we did have a fair value gap. Problem is we still have relative equal lows, but could be. I'm also looking for longs on Nasdaq. So hoping for that. Did you take the market maker sell short in London highs? Unfortunately, I didn't. I was in a long position, so I was looking for previous day high, which was yesterday's PM session high, and I entered to a long position right here, and so I targeted that. It went into 1R. It was looking very good, but then after the London Open, which was here, I saw the shift, by the way. I saw the market structure shift to the bearish side as it took some liquidity around here. So I was still holding my trade and I didn't take the short. I you know, my stop loss was somewhere around here in this area. That was my stop. So I was holding my trade, even though we had a second chance here to go short. I was still holding my long, and boom, I got taken out here on this candle. It is what it is. Should have stick with that. I mean, should have gone short, but I think we'll get there today. But I think we had to take. Yeah, pretty much that's what we did here. I mean, that's what market did. We took out the Asia lows at 73, actually, right here. The 200 EMA is still down there. 394 is a sell side that I'm also looking. But on the 5-minute, we still have the 200 EMA. Lots of good targets on the downside, especially this swing if you look at the 5-minute. And this whole move, this whole swing in yesterday PM session, the midpoint is down around 300-ish level down there. So who knows how far we'll drop from here. I would like to see this taken out, and again, my final goal for the week would be to take out the order block completely here. We might be seeing a reaction all the way down to 433, but then maybe try to go long. Until then, it's hard to say. We're going down the stairs and we might be going up the elevators soon. No clean direction for now. ES is holding. I'm actually more bullish on ES because it didn't reach the 1-hour order block up there. Has to be some liquidity above previous day high, which is at 57. So if ES starts to go, then NQ should pop higher and try once more those highs. That's what I hope. Will, thank you so much for the subscription. Welcome on the channel. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, thank you. All right. Hardhead Trading. Hey there. I'm streaming from Hungary, Europe. Hungarian. Although I don't live in Budapest, but you know, I'm not far from Budapest, but yes, from Hungary. Everybody is around us here. So yeah. Yep. Thank you, Will. Thank you again for joining the stream. I mean, joining the channel. By the way, guys, if you would like to help out the stream and support, just push the like button. And if you would like to support also the stream, just if you want to grab some accounts from these prop firms that I'm affiliated with, grab the links, click on the links, which supports me, and grab some codes. We have some good sales going on with MyFundedFutures, definitely rocking the space right now. But TOPSTEP gives you, if you click on my link and register for a new account, gives you an additional 20%, which is good. Apex lifetime 80% discount, and BULENOX 90% for the first month. That was the commercial. Ahmad, hey there. Good to see you. Gotcha. You're in New York. Oh my God. I was in New York in 2011. I love that. I tend to see you live around 2 a.m. I mean, you know what? I'm going to find the picture of me being in New York. I think I can find a picture. It was 2011. Maybe I find it somewhere here. No. Somebody's just subscribed. Ahmad, thank you for joining. From Thailand, Jack. I wish you the best trades as well. Do I have a picture? I mean, I might not have it on this computer. It was so long ago. Photos. No, it's on a different computer, I think. It's a shame. I wanted to show you that. No, can't find it. It was such a good. Where is it? I don't know where it is. I can't find it now. For next time, I will find it. Well, I love to be in New York. It was great. I love you from Iran. Well, welcome from Iran. I love you back. Yeah, I used to trade in New York Open. I try to be on stream around 8 a.m., sometimes 8:30 ish. So because I have some other IRL stuff to do, so but I try to be not 9:30 but a little bit earlier, so 8:30 ish. And yeah, why I'm running up? Oh yeah, it is going. What's happening? We'll still have NQ down there. ES, what about ES? So I try to be here in the kill zone before the futures open, or sometimes when the comics is opening. And yeah, now I'm just waiting for a possible reaction here to maybe shift the structure. Gold is running. Oh yeah, it's making historical highs. Now this is because it's on historical high right now. This is why I would not jump into a long, because we have no clear targets. In fact, I would like to see it go down, do a decent pullback, and maybe we could see something from there. But until then, oil is also, yeah, I know some traders who are making a killing on crude oil. I think it's best to trade crude oil only in New York session. That's my personal opinion. Maybe I'm wrong, but I think that's the best thing. Price discovery mode is really tough. Yeah, I got destroyed when NQ was in price discovery, and I didn't really heard that expression in trading, price discovery mode. I guess you're talking about the sweeping liquidity, both sides, maybe, I don't know. But for example, if you look at Nasdaq on the 15-minute, we can, and if you look at the 1 hour, sorry, just look at the 1 hour, and let's look at the latest swing. The latest swing point is from here on the 1 hour, and it's also significant because bigger players are still watching the 1 hour. I mean, they should, and everybody sees the 1 hour the same way. So the 50% retracement level should be around 344, which means NQ could still drop a lot, real lot. So have to be careful with the longs. It's like when you're in space and don't know what's out there. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Well, this pretty much, yeah. This right here is pretty much like that. Exactly. This is pretty much like that. Okay. Push the like button if you haven't pushed it already. That would really help out the stream. Thank you. And also, while we are waiting, because there's nothing to do, I'm gonna insert one more ad, and I'm gonna leave you guys alone. No more ads. One more ad. If you see an ad, you can still watch it full length. It supports the stream, gives a little bit extra revenue. So ad is coming in 3, 2, 1. If you don't see an ad, it's because maybe YouTube is inserting in a different time, or maybe because of ad blocker, which is great. I don't have issues with that, but gives a little bit extra revenue to the stream. Yeah, hello there, hello. No ad. YouTube decides when to insert the ad sometimes, you know, even if you don't have ad blocker. YouTube can override my decision and decide to hey, scalp, hey. Well, I have premium, so free ads. I still get some a portion of revenue from premium viewers. So at least that's what YouTube says. Same, all right. Breezy, good to see you again. All right, waiting. Everything is sideways, and starting to think that the next sell side liquidity should be down there, maybe. Let's look at this from this point. At 432. How about that? 432. That's a 1 hour order block. Sorry, fair value gap. I got biscuits in the oven. Careful with those biscuits. So how about it? This one can drop down to even to the 50s. Try to scalp this, but I really can't. Yeah, this workspace is looking good, but unlocked. All right. I can't modify my workspace. I don't know why. I think if 15 mil closes below FEG, we'll see lower prices. Yeah. Try to scalp it, but doesn't look that good. The next sell side is definitely down at 32, so not far, but we don't know how far it goes. I said it's going to slip lower, go down the stairs, go up the elevator. Maybe that's what you're asking. Go down the stairs, lépcsőn and fella lifttel. Go down the stairs, up the elevator. Or I used to say price is slowly dropping down, or slipping down, or edging down. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm saying. Bad habit. I don't know how far can this go. But I guess we will find out soon. If it wants to go for the next 1 hour gap, it's not far, it's like 30 points away. So the Hungarian language is beautiful. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, do I have any open positions or orders? No, I don't. It's very hard to decide what to do here. I'm gonna delete this since the Asia low has been taken. Next sell side is on the 1 hour fair value gap, which I'm gonna write here. So really nothing to do. Hi, Dominic. Good to see you. This is typical London session, getting a little bit slow. But the action is starting in New York, as usual. Fridays are holding some good opportunities. Okay. I like Friday. Lots of positions. So far keeps rejecting the 9 EMA. Yeah, Raj. Keep shorting when it pulls up to 9 EMA until it turns bullish and holds above. Oh. So I'm guessing you used to scalp the 9 EMA. I always wanted to check EMAs for scalping, but for example, the 9. So this is the 9 EMA. What the hell is this? This is the 9 EMA. I mean, the 9 EMA is pretty much close. So this is only the 9 EMA. You can use Ripser EMA clouds and see how it rises with the red cloud or the green cloud. Oh, on the 5 minute. Didn't really check those before, but I heard somebody the other day who were saying that they're making a killing by scalping with the 9 EMA, or was it 10 EMA? I don't even know. Because, you know, price pretty much tends to return quickly to the EMA. So very high chance to get back. 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna look at it. I'm not gonna trade it. I'm just, yeah, I see that. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, definitely nice. So we can paper trade this, right? How about we do some paper trading, scalping, to waste some time. London session is useless, yeah. I used the 14 and 27. Yeah. If it breaks I didn't see that. Hard hat trading says if it breaks 450. I'm looking for longs. Yeah. 450. Almost there. I was looking for the 452 as a scalp, but I closed it at break even. I wasn't patient enough, but London session is a bit slow. The whole week was slow for London. The big moves were definitely in New York, of course, because of the news events, but It was definitely slow. Very slow. Okay, we have something here. In a quick long for low risk. Nice. All right. I don't see displacement or structure shift for now. Oh no, the ambulance again. I'm telling you, there's some huge accident happening not far from where I live. Oh my god, look at this move. Let me return back to my indicators. Okay, we have something going on. ES finally finding some grip here. Could this be the move that we were waiting? Who knows? Let me measure some risks here. Okay. All right. I'm in a long position, very low risk. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put my stop below there. If it takes me out, I'm definitely gonna have to wait until New York to tell me otherwise. It was a little bit aggressive because it's not a huge structure shift going on, but still, for me, I do like this area. I want to target actually the highs, which means I like this one to go all the way up to 500 maybe. No, I want this to go to 506. Yeah, take the highs and even higher if it has to. So this is it. Not the best trade, but I'm hoping for this. If it takes me out, of course, I might wait for the 433 levels to be broken and then maybe I will try something. Oh, nice one, Brando. TP hit. Nice. 15-minute fair value midpoint was a nice quick long. Overall, I do like to see Nasdaq go for the order block, so that's why I'm sticking with this one for now. But if it drops further below the 433, I mean, if it takes this out, I want to wait for this to take out the 433 and look for a long again. Maybe we will get it. I don't know. Maybe we will get it then. Hard to say what to do here. Oh Jesus, the ambulances are coming. $200 is up there, VWAP is up there, midnight level, order block. Hopefully ES wants to go and take out the order block up there as well. We have the money bag. So ES should go. So I'm just gonna wait and see. Maybe I'm gonna lower it to just 506. A round number of 506. Yeah, it's better. I mean, for NQ, it's not a big deal. It's 30 point. If it wants to take out the order block, 30 points is not a big deal for Nasdaq. But who knows? Ambulance is coming for us, yeah. Asia high is still intact, yes. And not just that, if you zoom out to the 1 hour chart, or I mean, yeah, if you check the 1 hour chart, I can show you. Beautiful order block is still in place right there. And I would like to see the previous day high to be broken. I would like to see it dig into the mid-range of this order block, even take it out. So that's why I was hoping in this particular long entry. Let's see what it does. If it takes my stop, I need to wait until we get below 433, I think. There's no other way around it. I'm gonna grab a drink. I'll be right back. I wish it would be a beer, but only tea. Only tea. For now. All right. Let's wait and see. The 5 minute didn't really broke structure, so I don't like that situation. But I'm still hoping that we can get to the order block. Now you guys can see the toolbar, I think. A little bit. Yeah, alright, it's better. Better this way. Workspace lock. Alright. Fit it to the screen. Actually, I can push it a little bit more. Like this. Okay, it's better. Okay, what is happening? It's losing ground again. Oh no. Oh no, oh no. I was really hoping that this one will turn out good, but I think I have to let go this idea. Oh, so unfortunate. Oh, damn it. So, if we're going lower, then 433 should be the target. Let me check the mini. Oh. We have a liquidity void, damn it. We have a liquidity void. Not good. Which means it should be going down to 60. I'm not sure. To reprice it, I mean rebalance it to the down close candle. It can be seen on the mini too, not just on the micro. Such a shame. If it will start to drop, then we might see this go down. It can be seen better on the mini here, down there. If it goes down, you can reprice the 60s, even down to the 60s. Who knows? That's a problem. Morning, Nasversity. Good to see you. Good to see you there. So that's my problem here at 60, 460. If it wants to rebalance that low. Exactly. So let's wait for it. I'm doing okay, Nasversity. How are you? Yeah, sure. Shoot away. As I have TOPSTEP X. Yeah. 5 tops. Well, I have 5 TOPSTEP X. So I will get free reset at the end of the month on all of them in this price. Yes, it's for lifetime. As far as I know, when the promotion was starting, if you don't cancel the subscription, you should be getting the reset with the rebill for the same exact price. So we were talking about this in earlier streams, that it's a good price exactly for this. If you blow the account, you should not cancel the subscription because you're going to get rebilled with the same discount price. Do you think it's a long position? I wanted to think it's a long position. I still think it's a good long position. The only thing that disturbs me is that liquidity void down there on the mini. I don't know if it wants to reprice it. It's down at 60, and we have one more on the micro at 64. I don't know if it wants to go for it or not. It's not far away, actually, but might have to wait for the market to decide what's gonna happen. That is a relief, as I have you're blown one and 4 might get blown. You should leave the subscription, because if you go to the billing page, you should be seeing the price for the rebill, and that should show $4.50 per each. So you should not be having a problem with that, actually. Okay. This might be rebounding to the upside finally. I don't know. Tom, I'm over trading and revenge trading when I get a losing day. This is really out of control. Trust me, I still have my demons about that too. So when I see things getting loose, it's very hard to fight against it. And it's hard. It's very hard. And it's a different thing for almost everyone, depending on what are your goals, what are you aiming for, is about your surroundings, your everything is, you know, making an effect on those trading habits. And it's really hard to say. Even if you say that, okay, we're gonna just take like 3 trades a day, I know it's hard to stand aside after 3 losses and say, okay, no problem, you know, blah blah blah. No, it's very hard thing to do. It's very, very, very hard. I know how it is. Yeah, you have to work. Yeah, you have to go through it. It has to, how should I say, you have to go through that road by yourself. That's why when I used to say sometimes you have to suffer enough to let your, you know, memory being, let that bad memory burn into your brain, not to do stupid decisions again. You have to go through that specific pattern, and it's really hard. I know it's painful. It's actually painful. A lot of pain in trading. That's why it's one of the hardest things to do, I think. Needs extreme mental awareness. So I feel you there. Absolutely. Absolutely. This is reality, and it hits different. Yeah, it definitely hits different. That is why also I say you can trade on a demo account to practice the entries and everything, but even if you don't have money for personal account, that is why prop trading is a good thing, because you put in a little bit of money for an evaluation account and you feel that pressure a little bit. I mean, not all the pressure if it was your money, but at least you feel some kind of a pressure. And as you're getting, you know, into more trades and more funded, and if you're getting into funded account, you feel more pressure, and it's building up, and it's all about how you handle everything. It's about mental awareness. I know it's difficult, and I know. I perfectly know that, and trust me on this. I know what you're doing. I know what you're saying, and it's hard. I know it's very hard. Now this is exactly what I was talking about. As it drops down here, could be repricing that area. I closed my trade, and by the way, just saying, my long trade with a small loss. Shorts are in play, definitely, admirals. Dark cloud, yeah, still learning. And also, you know, if you see a lot of YouTubers, influencers in trading, in social media, those are affecting your decisions as well. Even I'm affecting your decision. I mean, I like you guys being here, and you guys give me strength and everything, but sometimes back in the days when I was watching other streamers and traders, they were also affecting my decision. And but the thing I want to go with is just be careful who you are following in trading or who you want to become, because the one you follow, the one you try to replicate, the one you try to go with, let it be a streamer, an Instagram, TikToker, who knows, you know, you could be getting some kind of trading habits from that guy or girl. I can't express myself, but you know what I'm saying. I'm not saying you should be copying me, but if you guys are following some Lambo traders who are always showing thousands, tens of thousands of hundreds of thousands of dollars on trading accounts and showing off with their Lambos and lifestyle, I think maybe that's not the one you should go for. You should go for traders, even for ones like me who are not really onto the payouts yet. I got payouts, of course, I told this many times last year, and this year only one payout from TOPSTEP. So, but still, stick with reality. That's what I'm saying. I do get pressure of real account, and as it really mattered to me to pass them, yeah. Create a demo and fake yourself into thinking it's your actual real size account and delete it when you mess up. Yeah, so you can trade demo, believe it to every account being a real one. Yeah, I do follow Rips. Very wise first time. Rips is a momentum trader. He got his own tactic. I know it sounds weird, but I never heard of Rips. I never heard of Rips. Who is that? Just a quick text message here. Ripster. I never heard of him. Never ever. This is the first time in my life. TOPSTEP trader. Oh, then maybe I saw him on TOPSTEP TV, right? He has its own Discord, I believe. Market. Oh, then I saw him. Okay, so Market Clubhouse. Now, okay. Now I know him. Okay. I was watching him a few times on stream. I couldn't really get what he was aiming for. I mean, I'm not saying he's bad or anything, but I couldn't really catch on with him because, as you said, he's kind of a momentum trader, I think. Something like Patrick Wieland, or I don't know. Because, so I was watching his YouTube. Now that you say Market Clubhouse, it clicks, all right? So I was watching him, and some news came out or whatever, and he was just like, all right, I think it's gonna go here. And he entered the trade. I said, okay, that's cool, but he didn't really said why. He just said because it should go there because looks like momentum is building up to the downside. But I don't know, maybe I was just missing his trade analysis, but I was watching him and I didn't really. Discretionary trader, there you go. Exactly, discretionary trader. Yeah. No problem with that. If you guys are discretionary traders, like you see the candles printing, you see the targets, maybe you're visualizing, you're anticipating the move, why not? As long as you can manage risk, why not? Sometimes I do that too when I scalp. When I try to scalp, I enter as on a discretionary method, but I cannot imagine myself going with a little bit higher risk only based on feelings, or I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, thank you, Dominic. Love the way you marked inefficiency. Okay, so he does news trading. He's best during news. Okay. I'm a discussion low. We'll go long, short, no problem. There you go. So if you have the mindset, the risk management, mostly the mindset, then why not? Why not? I just don't have those skills right now, at least. Because anytime I try to scalp, all hell breaks loose. Tom, we can't do that. We can blow our accounts doing that. Yeah. Use a bit of market structure. Yeah. It is called bias. There you go. Sedar says it. So for example, here comes the market maker sell or buy model in, right? So if I anticipate a target, for example, let's go to the Nasdaq again. And I anticipate that we should be taking out previous day high. I go down to the 5 minute. Let's go down to the 1 minute. So if I anticipate, I'm just putting a line here, this area, the 507 up there, I want to see a market maker buy model evolving here and jump in on a nice structure shift, maybe on the second, even on the second distribution phase, and follow it all the way down. So that's a plan. Vice versa, I anticipate a target which is not far away, but with a reasonable target. So even I can go with even here because there's an order block there. So I can anticipate the 500. Nice round number. We have plenty of targets up there. If I see my entry model playing out towards the direction of that area, then I enter. But I need my entry model. I need my entry model because without the entry model, if I enter, for example, I would say to you, okay, I'm just going to enter buy here because I think we're going to go to 500. I don't have the willpower for that. I don't have the mind for that. And actually, we just had an ICT long entry, which we missed. Actually, you know what? I might going to enter here. Look at this. There's the fair value gap, just saying here. Also can be seen 63. I might going to put a limit order at 63. All right, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe forget it. Maybe just forget it what I said. But hey, look at this gap. How is it holding still? I don't understand. I don't get this. What is going on? It was just jumping a few points in a split second. There's some kind of a news somebody was talking or what? So right from here, we could go long, but I don't know. Now that it's jumping all around the place, I don't like this. I really don't. Although it took the liquidity. Still in the kill zone. But I'm not sure. It is a long entry. Just saying. We all make a winning trades. Question is if we can protect the money we make, or we put, yeah, exactly, or we put it back to the market. That last candle is a displacement. Yeah, but look at this. We closed below this gap. So are we going to go lower? Because if we will, we have to visit 33. I think we're going down there. Yeah, we're going down to... Next level is 33.50-ish. I'm glad I did not jump in. Let me delete this. Come on. Okay, so interesting moves on the market right now. Oh, to the downside you mean? Sorry. Displacement to the downside. Yeah. We have a fair value, no fair value gap, but you know, if this would close, it didn't. So anyway, Anvan, I hope I pronounced it right. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Welcome, welcome. Welcome on the team. Yeah. I'm gonna do some dubbing. Yeah, looks like we're going for that 32.75. Actually, I missed that. Not a clean market structure shift. I don't like the wick here, so I'm gonna wait as usual. I'm not in a trade. I feel like I'm in a one of the templates. Serdar, come on. Come on, Serdar. You're better than that. You're better than that. All right, all right, all right. Still waiting, still waiting. Everyone, if you can help out the stream, please push the like button. If I can ask you this favor, push the like button. Let's give some exposure to the stream on YouTube. A little hint: when you see that one candle, the most up close one, and the following candle closes below that candle, that is a much more likely to go down. Oh yeah, that's like an engulfing here. So yeah, these two candles, this is an engulfing, almost. Not. Oh, sorry, that's not, because the wick is lower, but almost like an engulfing candle. It's definitely, the body is definitely closing below, so that's a short sign. That's for sure. It's definitely not a good sign if somebody is sitting in a long position. So yeah. Candlestick patterns are good, by the way, but actually candlestick patterns are good. I know example for a guy here in my country in person. He's only trading on the 4-hour time frame. He trades forex pairs, pound and I don't even know, not euro, but pound, and I don't know what the other one. He trades forex, and he only trades on the 4-hour time frame. And he has nothing on the charts, absolutely zero, not even lines. Not, yeah, maybe some, sorry, maybe some horizontal lines here and there for some levels, but only watching the 4-hour time frame and only trades candlestick formations. He has like 1 or 2 trades per week. Again, 2 trades per week, and he's making good money. Like, I'm not saying he's making a living from it because he has a business, but guys, he's making good money. Only forex pair and only 4-hour and only the candlestick patterns, and he trades the engulfing pattern, I know that, for example, and he trades the pin bars, these kind of pin bars he trades, but course, I don't know which method he does or whatever, but he trades these pin bars and the engulfing candles. That's all he does. And he makes very, very good trades. He's really good. He says to me that he couldn't do what I do, sit here and then trade all day. He said that his mind would go crazy, he said to me. His mind would go absolutely crazy if he would be sitting hours and hours in front of the computer. And it's interesting because he's making huge profits. I mean, really good profits. Oh yeah, it's going. So 1 hour sell side liquidity 32. This one could be a market maker sell model if and only if we would go back here. I would put my stop a little bit there, TP down there. Not a good risk to reward ratio, to be honest. I don't know if I want to enter into this trade. I could target the sell side liquidity on the 1 hour. It's going down there without me, so anyway, who cares? Who cares? Is it good for a scalp? I don't know. I'm not gonna jump in. Not going to jump in. I thought if it goes here immediately, I might be able to jump in. The dog is barking. That means a long position. Yeah, that's a long position. The dog is barking. It's a clean long entry. I just don't know where. Yeah, dog is barking. That means long. I have to go long. There used to be a cat also, but I don't know where he is at right now. The cat is all over the place. Look at this. It's dropping. So if we go down to below the 32s, I would say we should be stopping somewhere around here, kind of like a support at the 380s. Could be dropping to the 380s, but I would like to see a shift still to the longs, for the longs. So I don't know. Hopefully we'll see that. Don't forget to enter on retracement. The problem is the risk to reward is off. For example, the target would be at 33. I would need this one to retrace all the way up to the 50s up here. Maybe I would consider to enter here at 50. Not here. I don't care about this 40, but the risk to reward is not good. Not for me. Maybe here. 1 to 2, still a little bit risky. Tight stop. If you guys want to enter, you're welcome to do that. Yeah, it's the greedy Tom kicking in. No, actually not. I would go in with low risk, but if I risk something, I would like to get double the amount back. No, I know you're kidding. All right. Okay, guys. One more ad to the London session coming in. Sorry, I had to do that. I injected one more ad for the session. All right, let's see. Technically, the kill zone is getting to the end. but we're gonna be waiting for the opportunity. Okay. Wait, just wait. And there's a helicopter now. That's great. We have a helicopter. Oh my god, we have a helicopter. The sound is not so good. Always some airplanes, fighter jets or something is kicking in. So, yeah. I don't know. Something always disturbs the sound. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Dog is long. Daniel Lee, yeah. That's why I put that video in. I have the same problems like that sound guy in that video. I cannot play it here because that would be against the YouTube rules, but if you watch that video, you can see that. Mixed signals, yeah. Dog, helicopter, whatever, you know. Helicopter. How do they say it? Helicopter, helicopter. Get to the chopper. Get to the chopper. I do like how Arnie says that. Get to the chopper. Ah, hold on. Got to the chopper. Something like that. Helipod roof copter bark meow entry. Exactly. Got to the chopper. Okay, we're taking out the 32. The thing is that in many cases, I see these levels good. I mean, I see the correct levels. I just don't have the balls to enter to a trade. For example, here, could have entered in this area with the 1-to-1 for a good scalp. Look at this. Could have been a good scalp, right? But I didn't because I don't have the balls. Onto the horses. Outweighing at horses, then run. Good morning, Peter C. Good to see you. Well, so far, not too many things going on. Sometimes having the balls is to wait for the right setup. Exactly, Jonatas. Exactly, you're right. But, you know, sell side liquidity shall be taken right now. Look at that. Maybe we missed it with one tick. Yep. Sitting on your hands is definitely one of the hardest skills to acquire as a day trader. Daniel Lee, how's it going? Well, I had a little bit of loss, not too serious, in this London session. I was married to the idea to go long and take out buy side. Actually, we were talking about these levels. You guys might remember the whole week that this order block should be mitigated. And then yesterday, after the bond auction, it did. And I was feeling a huge FOMO, and I still think that we should be going higher. So I entered 2 long positions and didn't really turn out good. But I made almost 1000% yesterday on QQQ. What the hell? Nice one. Congratulations, Peter. Nice one. Yeah, that is just the part where we follow our plan. I tried to follow my plan, but I got married to the idea, and I really wanted to see this one going higher, and instead it's just retracing. Only because you walked out. Nice one, Peter. Congratulations for that. It's going down. So we talked about if it's going down, it should be taking out the there's a swing here on the 1 minute, pretty significant. I'm scared to jump into a short here, especially after the kill zone, but there's a significant sell side right there. Sell side liquidity as the next target. It can go there. We don't know that. 394. So yeah, could be. I knew that we will be needing a proper pullback after that bond auction. I mean, not just that, but from the whole PM session bullish run. But I thought it would be just a short period one and starts to go higher immediately. So it didn't happen yet, but yeah, what can we say? That is what it is. All right. It's just hard to determine what's gonna happen now. Actually, I know what's gonna happen. I think I'm going to cut the stream here, guys, because we're off the kill zone. Let's get ready for the New York session, because I'm not going to enter a short here. I'm just gonna wait. So guys, thank you for being here. Thank you for all the support. We're coming back in the New York session. If you can, please come back and tune in. Subscribe to the channel, push the like button, and if you can support, use my codes and links. That's the main thing that helps out the stream right now. So thank you again for everyone. And guys, it was a great session. We had 2 small losses, but that is what it is. And see you guys later. Have a great morning, evening, night. Rest up a little bit. See you guys in New York. All right. Cheers, everyone.